Okay, we are going to analyze the euro to Swedish krona. I think both of this belongs to the country based on Europe also. Okay, then RSI is on 42, stochastic 17, commodity minus 163, average directional index 14 day 27, awesome oscillator minus 0.19, momentum minus 0.67, MACD minus 0.02, stochastic 5.09, Williams percent range minus 80, bull bear minus 0.60, ultimate oscillator 35. Okay, EMA on 10 day 11, SMA on 10 day 11.25, SMA on 20 day 11.24, SMA on 20 day 11.34, EMA on 30 day 11.20, SMA on 30 day 11.37, EMA on 50 day 11.04, SMA on 50 day 10.99, EMA on 100 day 10.68, SMA on 100 day 10.62, EMA on 200 day 10.02, SMA on 200 day 9.97, Ichimochi baseline 11.32 also. Resistance start is on 12 second 12.13, resistance first 11.79, pivot 11.44, support 11.10, second support 10.74, then resistance start 11.12.13, second 11.86, pivot pivot point 11.44, support 11.17, second 1.11.01, 11.64, 11.58, 11.51, 11.44, 11.39, 11.32, 12.49, 12.136, 11.802, 11.444, 11.1104, 10.75, 11.96 here. Resistance was pivot 11.52 you can see here, and you can analyze by yourself also. Performance 1 year performance is seen here. Mainly we can make it as a put order. Okay, then call and put, then okay, now put order, so it in there will be the we can get earning by selling on downtrend also. Seasonal indicator can also be seen here. Okay, up to now when you just made it from 2007 to 2025, all the seasonal indicator can be seen here by percentage also, regular basis also we can see all of this. Okay, and this one also, and then when we use RSI also, RSI. Then RSS showcasing us about the zone is on 46, and above nearly 50 is considered as the upper trend bullish zone. Okay, consider this trend and then move upward. Okay, then when we try to use MACD also, MACD moving average convergence and divergence, then it has shown the crossover, but when the crossover is on this phase then it will be moving higher, and this histogram illustrate about the market momentum. Okay, so market momentum will be if this is high, then it showcase about the high market momentum, and then this is on low, then it replicate the low market momentum. Consider this. Okay, then when we try to draw the support and resistance on this. Okay, then this zone will also be support zone. Okay, this will be support, and this top level will also be resistance also. Okay, support and resistance is shown here. Then this much for today.